We had breakfast and now we are going to the tea plantation, tea garden. It's 4 kilometers from here. Before it was raining there, but here it's full clear. The weather is so good. It has rained here. And this is a tea plantation. It's too good here. I had to take a U-turn. The tea plantation entry is that way, but these roads were good, so I came here. Look at this view. Amazing. This is the entry for the tea plantation. Outside the tea garden, and now we are going to our hotel. There was no proper road as the Google map showed. Every time the Google map is not correct. We just checked into our hotel. This is Treebo hotel chains. So it's 3 o'clock right now. We are going to Pykara Lake. Pykara Lake. So it's 3 o'clock right now and we are going to Pykara Lake or Pykara Lake, whatever it is. It's 25 kilometers from this hotel. From morning we have done 142 kilometers, and including this also 50 plus kilometers. Today 200 will be done. So the last time I had been to Ooty, I had visited just few places, not even few, just two places. One is the tea garden and another one is the chocolate museum. It was not so good, but these are the two places I visited last time. And I returned home. I left Ooty at 4 and I was not allowed to take the 130 kilometers route, and it took me 5 hours to reach Mysore in my Activa. All the heavy vehicles takes this route. This is that road which I was talking about, the another road in the morning. This has a nice forest view which adds up to 170 kilometers to Mysore. The roads are good and the pine forest, it's too good. While going back, you have to try this route. I had been in this route with my Activa. It was also actually fun. It was raining heavily actually that time 2 years ago when I had been here, and this time with my bike it's too good to do these corners. Amazing corners. So that's it for today. We are returning back to our hotel. It's 5:54 right now and we have completed 170 kilometers from the morning. But I'm feeling a bit cold right now. That's all the places for today. I might end this vlog here. So if you like this video, do watch the next video of day 2. Do subscribe for more of these kind of videos. We'll meet you up in the next video. Until then, travel as much as you can, as far as you can. Take care. Bye bye.